Hey, if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, coach, or a startup business and you want to get more sales into your business and you want to build a database for free, then you're going to need to watch this video to the end. Now, building a database is an essential part of any business, and it's actually a big asset to your business. If you ever want to sell your business, then you're going to need some sort of database. Companies like WhatsApp and people like that are valued huge amounts because of the database that they own, similar to things like Snapchat as well. Now, lots of business owners struggle to build a database. They find it difficult to get customers, and I'm going to teach you a strategy right now on how you can do that for free. So what you need to do is you need to start with content. You need to get content out in the market that positions you as an expert, and in that content you need to have some sort of guide or report that people can download. And what they will do is they'll put their name and their email address into that report or guide to get a copy of that, and that's how you're going to build your database. Now, that will cost you money because you're going to need to get eyeballs onto that. So you're going to send traffic to that from Facebook, which is relatively cheap. It's only pennies for people to view your adverts on Facebook. So it's very cheap when you do it right. Now, putting that content out, as I said, costs you money. So we're going to need to look at how we can get the money back from that straight away. And you do that with a micro purchase. So as soon as someone has taken your guide or report, immediately on the thank you page you need to have an option for a micro purchase, an upsell, and that is going to liquidate the cost of your advertising. So the guide or report will go to the micro purchase. Once they've got the micro purchase, you're looking to sell something for around £7 to £9 or $7 to $9, and you use that money that you make from that, the profit that you make from that, you use it to send more traffic to your content on the front end and to your guide and report, and that's how you're paying to build your database effectively for nothing. So once you've built that database, you can email market to them, you can use direct mail, you can get salespeople to call them, and those are more likely to become customers over time as you nurture them. So that's how you build your database for free. If you want to find out more about strategies like this, then I urge you to get yourself a free ticket to the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. In the link below, in the description below, is a link to the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. We've got very limited free seats. I'd love you to come along and share with you more strategies on how you can grow your business, start your business, get your business out of the rut that it maybe is in at the moment. I'll help you get more customers, more sales and more leads. So do that right now. Click on that link and I'll see you at the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. Cheers, guys.